Hello, everybody. My name is TJ Farnsworth, and this is going to be a presentation about something I'm very excited about. We're going to be squeaky clean windows. So we're going to be talking about this business opportunity and the company in general. So the idea and the model: it's a window cleaning service for the outside of dirty car windows. And the idea came from I was going to Quick Quack to get my car washed. I had some sprinkler water that had got onto the side of my car window, and I couldn't get the hard water off of the windows even through Quick Quack. So lo and behold, custom made cleaning solution and a franchise business model opportunity to be able to take that hard window off the outside of your car windows. So product and service, very, very excited about the product and service. Absolutely amazing product, absolutely amazing service. It's a homemade product that works. It cleans the outside of your car windows, and we come to you. What an amazing opportunity to be able to have somebody come to you to clean your windows, and we leave you smiling. Absolutely fantastic. So successes so far: creating the product. We created an amazing product. We used the product works. The planning that went into the successes, we planned the whole situation out. It's gone off with a bang. It's been an absolutely fantastic opportunity. Customer satisfaction: customers are satisfied. I'm a customer as well, and I'm very, very satisfied with what's going on with how the product is working. So what to do different? What would I do different? I would visit multiple neighborhoods. I would have a better sales pitch, and I'd have better opportunities with time budgets. So where are profits at? You want to know where's the money? Give me the money, all the money, money. So profits: $5 for an Audi car wash window, $5 for VW car wash window, $5 for a Chevy car wash window, $5 for a Kia car wash window. The product was made from home, so there was no cost for the product. The rags and everything else that we use are from home, so that there's no cost for that. So the profit is $20 plus $20 raised for the business. So far we're at $40 in profit. Absolutely fantastic profit. The future for us: next summer could bring better sales and more opportunities for growth because the warm weather brings better business. It's just a proven idea. Warm outside, get out there, work the sales program, talk to the people door to door, try to figure out a better way to reach out to the people and get them to spend that money on cleaning those cars. $200 a month is the projected sales for 8 cars a week during the summer with a new sales program, and hopefully we can do even better than that. Investors benefit from a solid product. The product works. Benefit from personal use of the product. You can use the product as well. You go outside and make sure your windows are nice and squeaky clean. So you can also benefit from the sales program. The sales program is going to be fantastic. It's still up and coming, still in the works. It's doing absolutely amazing so far. Investors should invest because the company is up and coming. This is a new company and it works. And I'm telling you, if you invest now, you're going to be able to benefit from the product. We're going to be able to put it into a turnkey opportunity. We're going to put it into a lot of different neighborhoods. We're going to bottle up the product. We're going to have an absolutely amazing sales program. So invest because the product works and it's needed. Everybody wants their windows clean. I don't know anybody who wants dirty car windows. Nobody wants dirty car windows. Invest. Please. More time. If I had more time, I'd bottle the product and I'd label it. I'd get some uniforms. I'd have a better sales program, better accounting program to be able to track the revenues and the expenses and everything that's coming in and out of the business. More neighborhood sales opportunities, flyers to get the names out there and do a little bit of promo and marketing, and a Facebook page. Here are some pictures from what we were able to complete. So as you can see here on this window, the hard water is just disgusting. You see here, this is the product that just cut right through that hard water, turned it brand new. You can see how the hard water is starting to break up here, and it's just not there. It's just depleting off the windows, and you can see a nice clean car window. Product works. So, charts. Here's some charts. For the month of June, the sales projection is $100. The dollars of growth are $100. The next month, July, sales projection would be $150. That would be a total sales projection, so the growth would be $50 in sales. The next month, August, we're looking to stay at about $50 in growth, which would put us at about $200 in sales. Here's another chart. Here's another graph another graph for you guys to look at. So here would be growth. As we see here, we start out in the zero area. This would be the sales, and this would be the total. This would be the starting out of where we're at. This would be the sales, and then this would be the total, so on and so forth throughout the graph. So I hope you enjoyed my presentation so far. I hope you get involved with squeaky clean windows. It's a definite investment that you would love to be a part of. I promise you it will do fantastic, and it's an amazing summer sales program. Got a lot of missionaries that I'm interested in putting into work and to be able to get those car windows done. Hope you guys have an absolutely fantastic evening. Hope to hear from you guys soon on investing ideas. My name once again is TJ Farnsworth. Thank you very much for your time.